In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can turn $50 into a brand new iPhone. And after looking up the price to a brand new iPhone, I'm gonna have to multiply this $50 25 times. That's crazy. Now my plan is gonna be pretty simple. I'm gonna go thrift shopping and hopefully I can find some hidden treasures in which I can resell. Now, if I do not make my goal from step one, I'm gonna take all the money that I earned from reselling and put it into the stock market. Now, I do have some rules. Rule number one is I cannot go over that $50 mark. Now, rule number two is I cannot spend more than 8 hours of active work on this challenge. Now, I can break up that 8 hours. It doesn't have to be consecutive, but in total, I cannot spend more than 8 hours. Now, rule number three, actually, there is no rule number three. Wait, did you start the timer? Wait, why am I running? All right, phase one, time to get the cash.
The good thrift shops only accept cash, and on the ones that accept every type of payment, cash usually gives you a better deal.
Phase one, complete. Now, on to phase two. The fun part, the shopping. Now you may be asking yourself, why do any of this? Why not just put it on a credit card and move on? Well, every month I give myself a very strict budget with the goal of hitting certain savings markers each and every month. Now, it's not for everybody. It is pretty aggressive, but I want to retire early. So if I want to buy shiny new things, I'm gonna have to make more money. There's no way around it. Why do I want a brand new iPhone? Well, my iPhone battery dies all the time. I don't care if I charge it all night. By noon, it's at 10%. All right, we just arrived to thrift shop number one, and unless I hit the jackpot, this is gonna be the first of three. Now, what's gonna be my strategy today? Well, with such a limited budget, I'm gonna narrow my focus to just a couple categories. Now, the first category that I'm gonna focus on is sporting equipment. Now, brand new sporting equipment, super expensive. But as long as it's lightly used, these things really retain its value and you can get some awesome ROI. And then second, vintage t-shirts. Now, this is just an absolute staple, and if it's popular, it's gonna sell. Finished going to the first store and I spent half of my budget. I got a couple t-shirts and a very, very small travel golf bag that had some clubs in it. But I am very satisfied with what I got so far. I can't wait to show you. Off to thrift shop number two. And then, out of nowhere, my phone died, which is exactly why I need a new phone. Let's just get to the haul. All right, we got golf clubs. We got a Sunday golf bag. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 t-shirts. And then we got a full golf set. All right, now comes the long and boring part, and that is taking pictures and then listing them. I'm gonna list it on 2 different websites. I'm gonna list it on Facebook Marketplace, also on eBay. It's a lot of shirts, it's a lot of golf clubs. Yeah, let's get to it.
For my day when I'm playing, sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits, some loose shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip, you choose to fight or lose your grip.
Now all the listings are completed and I still got 3 hours. Now over the next few days, I would sell the putter, the driver, a set of irons, and then t-shirt after t-shirt after t-shirt, making my grand total $655, which is not even close to my goal. So let's activate phase three. Welcome to phase three. Wow, that definitely should have been more dramatic. Now in phase number three, we could just run it back. We can go back to the thrift shops, buy up some more stuff, and then resell it to the public. But I am almost out of time. So instead, I'm gonna take all the money I earned and invest it in Apple. Like, this is me doing it in real time. Now, if you want to use the same stock brokerage that I use, link in the description, they'll give you some free stocks. Check it out. Now, it is very stressful and pretty darn boring if you're not interested in stocks to watch the price action throughout the day. So instead, I'm gonna go for a hike. I'm gonna play some golf, and hopefully, my investment goes up and doesn't go down. And I shit you not, within 5 hours, we were there. Now this video itself was more of a general outlook on investing, having specific monetary goals and achieving them. But if you want a more detailed breakdown, subscribe to my Patreon. I'm gonna give a very detailed outlook of the exact cost of goods, how much I sold it for, where the entire process, what went into me wanting to buy the Apple stock in general, and then also a lot of good stuff. And then of course, if you want to support the channel, I greatly appreciate it all. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments. I'll be sure to get back to them. All right, have a wonderful night, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.